In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use Google Docs and keep notes together for a more efficient workflow. This combination allows you to easily manage your notes and documents in one cohesive space, streamlining your work process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Docs, open up your preferred web browser, and type in the URL to access Google Docs directly. Once you're there, what you'll need to do is create a new document. This can be done quite simply by clicking on the New button, typically located at the top left of the screen. Starting a new document gives you a blank slate to work with. Next, let's integrate Keep Notes into your Google Docs workspace. On the right-hand side of your document, you should see a panel. If it's not visible, don't worry. You can reveal it by clicking on the small arrow at the bottom left. Once the panel is displayed, go ahead and click on the Keep icon. This opens up your Google Keep Notes directly alongside your document, offering easy access to your notes. Now, to bring a note into your document, locate the three vertical dots next to the note you wish to use. Click on these More Options dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Add to Document. This action will include the selected note into your current document, integrating your thoughts directly into your writing without needing to switch back and forth between apps. If you incorporate images into your Keep Notes, you can easily drag them into your document. Click on the image within Keep and drag it directly into the open Google Doc. This is particularly useful for visual elements you might need to reference or include in your document. To save content from your document into Keep Notes, simply highlight the text or paragraph you wish to save. Right-click on the selected text and an options menu will appear. Click on Save to Keep, and just like that, your selection is now transferred to Google Keep. This feature is perfect for preserving key pieces of information or brainstorming ideas that emerge as you compose your document, ensuring none of your thoughts are lost. By using these steps, you can make Google Docs and Keep Notes work together harmoniously, enhancing your ability to organize and synchronize your writing tasks with your notes. This integrated use of technology not only saves time, but also keeps all your necessary materials at your fingertips. I hope these instructions help you maximize productivity in your work. Thank you for watching, and happy writing!